If you are someone who is concerned about privacy and you don't want Google to keep track of your browsing activity, then this tutorial is for you. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to delete all Google search history from your device. On your mobile, locate your browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome browser, and open it. In the address bar, type google.com. Make sure you are signed in with your account. From there, click on this account. Then locate manage your Google account. From there, proceed to locate data and privacy. And then from here, scroll down till you locate my activity and click it. Then again, scroll down till you locate filter by date and product. Beside it, you have the delete option here. Proceed to delete. You have the various options to delete in the last hour, last day, all time, and the custom range. So for instance, if you want to delete all time, you can proceed to click here. Your activity will be permanently deleted from your account and no longer used for personalization. So you can proceed to click on next if you agree with it. So all these things happen on our mobile. On our PC, visit google.com again and make sure you are signed in. Locate this your icon and click it. Proceed to manage your Google account. Then from there, locate data and privacy. Scroll down again till you locate my activity. Then from here, locate filter by date. Beside it, you see delete. So you can proceed to click there again. You can see the last hour, last day, all time, custom range. So you can decide to delete the one you want. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.